Okay guys, so I had an interesting dream last night. So I dreamt about this coffee, this interesting coffee, peanut butter and jelly coffee. I was like, you know what, let me try that out. So this is actually the first time me making this, so is it worth it? Listen, so we need a bowl, okay? So we need 2 packets of the instant coffee. You can use whatever you want. So I'm gonna cut the top right here. Now add into the bowl. So we're doing the peanut butter one first. So this is only for the peanut butter. Now you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it and then add 1 tablespoon of hot water. Mix it aggressively, okay? You know what? You can get a blender if you want to and not struggle like I'm doing, but it's okay. We're doing it the old way. Okay, now that it's all done, now add half a teaspoon of peanut butter. Creamy, okay? Not crunchy, creamy. Thank you, okay? Add it right in there. It's right there, you see it? Now mix it. You see that? Perfection. So I'm gonna use this little cup right here, okay? Yes, I know. Anyway, this is my favorite one. I'm gonna add this in here first. Beautiful. I mean, I know I'm beautiful, but like, look at the cup. See? So now I'm gonna do the same thing. I know I'm a mess. I'm gonna do the same thing with the jelly, okay? So, okay. Same base, same recipe, but now jelly time. So we're gonna be using smoker for this recipe. I have raspberry here, but that's all I have. But I do prefer grape jelly. This one, this is the raspberry one. Ooh, hold on. Half a teaspoon. If you want more, honey, add more. Mixing it. Okay, smells interesting. So here we have the peanut butter one, okay? So I'm gonna add the milk, leche. Hope it stays on the bottom, and it does. What? Oh, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna put all the way up. We're gonna put the jelly on top now. Okay? I literally just made my dream right here. Look at the bottom. It looks good. It looks good. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. I mean, it looks tasty. Anyway, let me get a sorbeto, a straw. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. Hold on. We need a bigger cup because this is just not it. I need to be honest. I don't really taste much of the peanut butter, so next recipe I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon instead of half a teaspoon. But girl, I just got some raspberry seeds, so I'll give it 7 out of 10. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's a C. You pass. Okay, I pass. You gonna try it? Let me know. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.